Being prepared means that you are equipped with the proper supplies you may need in the event of an emergency or disaster. There are 3 different kits you can create to be prepared in case of an emergency: first aid kit, survival kit, roadside emergency kit. A first aid kit should be kept in every home, car, office, and survival/evacuation kit. In a first aid kit, you should find gauze pads and dressings, rolled bandages, alcohol-free cleansing wipes, a variety of band-aids, antiseptic cream, tape, disposable gloves, scissors, tweezers, painkillers like ibuprofen or Tylenol. Next, a survival kit. This kit should be kept in the home and stored in an easy-to-carry box or bag in case of an evacuation. At a minimum, you should have the following supplies: water, non-perishable, easy-to-prepare food items, flashlight, battery or hand crank radio, extra batteries, multi-purpose tool, personal hygiene items, cell phone and chargers, emergency contact information, blankets, and maps of the area. The last kit is a roadside kit. This should be kept in a box or a bag in your car. Kit items include jumper cables, LED flares or triangle reflectors, motor oil, blanket, flashlight and extra batteries, small toolkit, tire pressure gauge, cell phone charger and adapter, paper towels, and water and energy bars. For drivers who live in an area that experience snow and freezing rain, there are additional items that should be included during the winter months: snow shovel, ice scraper, extra hat, gloves, and socks, road salt, sand, or cat litter for traction. Here's a tip: keep your roadside kit in the back seat instead of your trunk in case it is frozen shut.